Yesterday, I had the most fantastic conversation with Julianne as I brought in her cappuccino. You know, it's this embarrassment of riches. And the pod is on such a hot streak right now. It's almost like we're the Fantastic Four. You know? What am I saying? It's exactly like we're the Fantastic Four. God, think about it. Marty's Reed Richards, of course, you know. I'm Johnny Storm, Flame On, that's classic Doug. And Jeannie's Sue Storm. So they're brother and sister, so nothing going on there. And you know, Clyde is obviously the thing, Ben Grimm, and our superpowers all complement one another. So I guess that's an argument for going with Marty. Get to break that up, it'd be a tragedy. There's no Fantastic Three. I mean, for alliteration's sake alone,
what,
you could.
sweetheart?
I know. Superheroes aren't real, most of them. Oh, excuse me, is dessert included?
Tomorrow.
Huh?
Let's just do this. Let's get married in Vegas tomorrow on your trip because I want to be Mrs. Doug Guggenheim yesterday. Let's do it. Let's just, you want to just do this, right?